Well, here we are back at the rescue house, and we're floating the shower floor. You've seen videos of it with the way we found it, when we demoed it, the junk we found underneath it, and I did another video showing the plumbing solutions that we did for the drain. So today we're coming in and we're refloating it, and essentially all we can do, because we lack of room, is we have to come in and we're hand mixing the concrete in a wheelbarrow, and then we're bringing it in and we're dumping it in here, and we have now about, what, Monty, about a 4.5 inch slab? About three and a half. Then we're gonna,
the slab, yeah, about 4. Yeah.
about 4 on the slab, and then we're gonna have the tile guy can then come in and he can float the dry packet and get the slope the way that we want it. So this is really what should have been done originally. Now, in the previous video, you'll see where I went in and we retied all the steel and got everything back the way it should have been originally. And we actually poured wet cement in here, Monty. Instead of drying,
we actually mixed our cement.
We mixed our cement, as opposed to the last guy that just threw in bags of dry cement. And I guess he figured if the shower leaked, it would get hard. I'm not sure what his plan was. So this is a solution to a huge problem we found, and we next will let it set up for a few days, and then the tile guy is supposed to be here next week, and he can go ahead and come in, and we'll start on the next phase. Will be to float this floor to prepare it for the shower pan, or first we'll put it in the shower pan and then we'll float it, preparing it for the tile. If you like these videos, don't hesitate to subscribe to my YouTube channel and keep watching. We got many more to go.
Give me about half.